Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I am Sanket Chaskar and today we are going to discuss about VIEEE exam results and counseling. So as you all know, the VIEEE examination for the year 2022 was taken between 30th of June to 6th of July and the results are going to be declared on 8th of July. So you can check your logins and check your results. You will be getting a rank out of all the examinees and you will be getting a rank, for example 1k 2k 1 lakh, something like this you will be getting similarly in what you got in JEE mains examination. So after getting the ranks, you are eligible for admissions in different campuses of VIT. So students from around 1 to 1 lakh rank are eligible for admissions in VIT Chennai and VIT Vellore, and students from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh are eligible for admissions in AP and Bhopal. There is no such restriction, but the students scoring above 1 lakh ranks aren't given options for VIT Chennai and VIT Vellore, or I can say that no seats are left till the counseling of these ranks get started. So the counseling will be starting from the same date, 8th of July, and there will be a counseling fee that has to be paid. So there will be a lot of people giving examination, but a specific group of people will be sitting for the counseling. So for the ease and for the procedure, all the procedure which will be running in background, there is a specified counseling fee which is around 5,000. It's low because it's online counseling. In offline counseling the fee used to be 12,000 13,000 because it was on the campus counseling. But now as the counseling process is going to be happening online mode, so the counseling fee is less. It is around 5,000 rupees and it is compulsory to pay this counseling fee. The counseling fee will get adjusted if you get admissions in VIT. The counseling fee will be adjusted in your academic fee or tuition fees. So phase 1 will be for candidates scoring rank between 1 to 20,000. So first 20,000 candidates will be going for phase 1 counseling. The phase 1 counseling will start from 8th and the last date of paying the fees is 9th of July, and the seat allotment will be done on 13th of July. So within 5 days you will get your seat allotment, and then the last date for advance fee is 18th of July. So advance fee payment is like you will have to pay around 1 lakh rupees. The fee will be disclosed after seat allotment. For example, take 1 lakh rupees fee that has to be paid to reserve your seat or finalize your seat allotment in that branch in VIT Vellore or VIT Chennai, depending on what choices you feel. Then we have phase 2 counseling. It is for 20k to 45k ranks and it will be starting from 8th of July itself, and the last date of filling fees is 18th of July. The seat allotment will be done on 22nd of July and the final date for advance filling is 26th of July. Then we have phase 3 counseling. Phase 3 counseling is for students between 45k rank to 70k rank, and the last date of fee filling is around 26th July. The seat allotment date is 30th of July and last date for advance fee payment is 4th of August. So before 4th of August you have to pay the advance fee and reserve your seat in allotted branch in VIT Chennai or any branches of VIT. Then you have phase 4 counseling, which is for students from 70k rank to 1 lakh rank. The last date is 4th of August for paying your counseling deposit, which is 5,000 rupees. Then the seat allotment will be done on 8th of August and last date of advance fee payment is 16th August. Then we have the final phase which is for students from more than 1 lakh. There is no specific limit till where the students are allowed, but above 1 lakh everyone can participate in counseling, and depending on the availability of the seats the students will be allotted their respective branches in respective campuses. The last date for advance filling is around 17th of August and the seat allotment will be done on 21st of August 2020 for phase 5th counseling. This will be the last phase of counseling, and the final advance fee payment for phase 5 is around 26th of August. So after getting seats allotted in this counseling, maybe phase 1, phase 2 or phase 5, you have to pay the advance fee by last date of the respective counseling. If not paid the advance fee by that day, your admission won't be considered. If you want to fix your seat in VIT, then you have to pay an advance. The advance amount will be disclosed in further emails. I will be making a specific video on it. You can stay tuned to my channel. You can consider subscribing and pressing the notification button. And after this counseling process, there will be guidance for full fee payment and other things such as college offline opening. I will be making updates on each and every part of this. So stay tuned to the channel. And if you have any doubts about VIT counseling or VIT seat allotment, you can post them in the comment section, and I will try to reply to everyone. Thank you so much for watching.